Hi everyone, welcome to your favorite graphic design tutorials channel. This is Nomfundo Fundile, your graphic designer, the design fundi. Hey guys, we are back. Now we are going to be going on phase 2. So what I want to do for this episode is compare Adobe Firefly to OpenAI's generative AI for images. They call it DALL, but anyways, I'll start sharing my screen in a few and you'll be able to see it on your screen. So I've already started the search. I'm just going to show the results. On average, I waited like 1 minute 30 seconds, so like 90 seconds to get results. One generated image from ChatGPT or OpenAI's DALL E3, which compared to Adobe Firefly, like I don't want to blast anyone, but that's whack. Wait, the colors I'm wearing are just not making sense of matching, but it's really cold where I'm at. So DALL or DALL-E, I'll call it DALL-E 3 is OpenAI's generative image app software. So this is their landing page. You literally just go to openai.com/index/DALL -E-3 or -3. Great. So I think to make this a fair comparison, since we've been through the Adobe Firefly, what I'll do, guys, I'm in the middle of working, and I think it's just going to be easier if I do this whilst working. It seems like we're going to have to log in. Let's see, try and ChatGPT. Hey ChatGPT. Guys, I'm really the type to greet if we're going to be training AI, we at least need to train it with proper, decent, humanistic traits, like greeting is a bare minimum. Okay, so this is taking a while, so I'm going to say create image.
A few moments later.
Oh my god. Recording is such a mess. So I just spent 8 minutes talking and my screen was stuck. Okay. Let me go back to the results that I'd gotten. So this is one of the results that I'd gotten. So I only got 3 results within like 10 minutes. Like on Adobe Firefly, I'd get 3 results within 60 seconds. The same prompt as Adobe Firefly. At least it didn't like start off with with this prompt. I got art here, like art, not photos. So I got a photo. What I do not have the option to do is like, you see all these settings here on the side, like the aspect ratio, the style, the content type, visual intensity. I don't get all those settings here. So did that. So then I decided to add the prompt with a consultant on the scene. It added this. I mean, this was quite okay. I've this hand is disproportionately big. I mean, yeah, I guess it's, I don't know. I think sometimes it also matters that, so this is what's going to happen with my clients. I'll take these photos through to review, put them on content where I'm going to be using them and see if he has no problem with them. But like, I've worked with different industries and the importance of safety standards. I don't know if people in mind would really be blasting in these equipment and trucks like around. I don't know if that's real life scenario. This is more like it, like this distance. So I asked ChatGPT, so for this prompt, I said wide shot angle, golden hour lighting, which is not so different from the first one. But anyways, landscape photography, and pasted the same prompt of African mining equipment on mining construction, blasting scene with the consultant on scene, smiling and facing the camera. I did not want to wait another 1 minute, like to get one option. To get an image where I can see the eyes of the consultant. So I'm thinking of checking it out. What other generative image AI software are you using that you can maybe refer to me or recommend to me? Let me know in the comments down below. I'll see you in the next episode.